And talking about that, something very related to what is happening in Iran right now, in Qatar, Qatar has finally acknowledged the death of something about 400 and 500 people died during the construction works of the stadiums in Qatar. Okay, Hassan Al-Tawadi has admitted and estimated that between anywhere between the 400 and 500 people, okay, died during the construction works of the World Cup stadiums. Man, I think that there's nothing else to be said. I mean, you have to judge based on what you think and based on what you believe is right. This World Cup should have never happened. Should have never happened, right? But happened to be, it happened. And now they are playing in Qatar. So let's forget about stupid protests and stuff like that. Play football, get out of the way, and do not ever come back to that country for nothing. That is what you all have to do. I'm talking about to clubs, institutions, federations, soccer players, stuff like that. That is all what you have to do.